So let's look at a second solution to this that solves both problems, both the problem of alignment with the title and also the problem of not being in the themes sidebar region. This solution is in Display Suite as well, but it's a different approach, and it uses something called region to block. So as you've probably noticed, there are some terms in Drupal that are very ambiguous. One is region, one is context. You hear me using both those words different times, meaning different things. So normally when we talk about a region, when we're talking about the theme, we're talking about specific places where we can place blocks. If we go to the Structure Blocks page, we can see the list of regions here. We have header, help, highlighted, featured, content, and so on. Those are all different regions where we can position blocks. When we talk about regions in Display Suite, I'm going to exit out of this overlay and click Manage a Display here. We're talking about very similar things, but they're regions that are inside of the content region of the theme. So we have header, left, middle, right, and so on, and these are all Display Suite regions. So when Display Suite offers something called region to block, it's talking about a region here, not about a theme region. And the goal of it is to take a set of fields and position them inside of a region here, and then expose that region as a block that we can position, and this is tricky, but we can position inside of a theme region. So now let's see it in action if the theoretical isn't quite sitting right with you.